Get addicted to studying with this brain hack. Here's the illegal sounding truth. Your biggest mistake is finishing. I know. That slam, that mic drop moment, it feels like a victory lap. You crushed it. Brain gains, right? Wrong. That feeling, it's a total scam. That's literally why starting tomorrow feels like trying to run in a dream. All that momentum, gone. Poof. See, when you hit finish, your brain's like, sick. My work here is done. It takes all that info you just grinded for, throws it in the deepest, darkest folder, and yeets the key. Tomorrow, you're not studying, bro. You're on a digital archaeology dig trying to find your own notes. But listen, what if you could leave that folder wide open? What if you could wire your brain so it's literally pulling you back to your desk? No willpower needed. You can. It's stupid simple. It's called the cliffhanger hack. We're not just studying anymore, we're programming. Every system has a glitch. Your brain's glitch is called the Zeigarnik Effect. Sounds like a rare Pokemon, but stay with me. You know when a video buffers at the best part, and you're just sitting there, hooked? You gotta know if he lands it. That feeling? That's the glitch. Your brain hates not knowing. An unfinished task, an open loop, is like an itch right between your brain's shoulder blades. But a finished task? Your brain checks the box and ghosts it. We gotta use that. Here's the rule. It's gonna feel backwards. Never. Finish. On. Purpose. You're in the flow? Good. Now sabotage yourself. Reading a banger of a paragraph? Stop. Mid. Sentence. Crushing some problems? Write the setup. Do the hard part, but leave the answer blank. Walk away. Leave your brain hanging. It feels wrong. It feels messy. But you're not being lazy. You're being strategic. You're leaving a cliffhanger so good, your own brain has to tune in for the next episode. This isn't about memorizing better. It's about desire. That open loop creates a low-key magnetic pull. You're not forcing yourself to study anymore. You're just curious. You need to see how the story ends. You'll come back faster. You'll dive in deeper. Because you never really left. You just paused the game. Starting isn't a struggle anymore.
That agonizing startup load screen is gone. Now, it's instant gameplay. The playbook for that is simple. Here's your 3-step cheat code.
1. Get in the zone. 2. Find your cliffhanger. 3. Walk away. Stop being a student. Be the showrunner. End every session on a to be continued. Don't just study, make your brain binge it. Your brain wants to complete the mission. So give it a mission it can't quit. Go mess with your homework. I'll see you in the next one.